What is going on, Chinese mall? This is cigarette ash. Look. Mum's hoof flower. There it is. One of the world's biggest buildings, 1/2 kilometer wide. Could spend all day in here. It's so big I can't even fit it in the frame. Oh boy, I don't even like shopping. This is gonna be a nightmare. While we're inside, it's truly endless. It's like little sections of shopping mall, just pretty much dotted everywhere. I don't even know what that is. Futuristic massage chairs, a walking panda. What is going on? Oh boy, super clean though, right? Yeah, this opens out. It just keeps going and going. Hey, look at this, sir. Yeah. Oh, there's a robot here. What does the robot do? What's he doing? Can we stop him? Maybe it's selling stuff. Wow. I feel like a caveman as I record on my phone. Crazy. Wow, I'm just here for the architecture and the automated robots. It's unbelievable. So, I don't even know where we are anymore, but I did see this. Just randomly chilling in the shopping center. So what you'll find common here in the toilets is people smoking in the cubicles. They'll be engaged for a very long time. And it turns out people are smoking in there because they don't want to go all the way outside. This will happen everywhere. Like right behind me. This is cigarette ash. Look. He's gonna be in there 10 minutes. Here, look at this kids' play area where kids hang out, parents drop them off, and the kids learn to fish. What is going on? I wonder how many times those fish have been caught. Yeah, look at this. It is next level, isn't it? Look at that. What is going on, Chinese mall? Are they real trees? No, they're not real trees, but there is a water park inside here. Jeez. Wow. We're like cavemen. We're like cavemen in the West, aren't we? Wow. It's kind of like Mall of America, but a bit nicer. Wow, that's insane. Look at that. It's a Carrera Sky Electric set. But you can play with it. You can sit down, look here, and actually play. Ain't that crazy? Hello, Toys R Us is still strong here. Wow. Look at this restaurant. They deliver food on a futuristic roller coaster. What is going on? Wow, we can get a little look. They're ordering on the iPads, then the food comes from the sky, comes from the clouds. It just magically appears. Okay, I think I found a house inside the shopping mall. Check it out. There it is, told you. Oh boy, oh, look at this kids play area. Our local park had a broken swing and one of those violent rusty horses where if you got on it you might die. Times have changed. Unbelievable. Some food over here as well. And this is like maybe a tenth of this mall. Just a tenth. It's unbelievable. Okay, I got some food from the homeland. And here they are. Shall we add more spice? No, maybe not. Oh, yeah, it's so heavy. All right. Well, cheers, everybody. Here's the shopping district. Just get a little atmosphere. We have a giant panda. I think it's quite common to have people outside the stores shouting on microphones and megaphones. Oh, there's another dude. So he's shouting with his little clapper. There's a guy selling Spider-Man and he has a machine gun in his hands. Oh, there it is. Wait. There it is. It's crazy, right? This guy is like, don't look at my girlfriend's ass. How dare you look? Oh, look at this. Got some sausage. I've seen these sausages everywhere. 7-Eleven, everywhere. This is more like Korea. I've seen a lot of that in Korea. Various foam meat. And over here, look at this. Wow. Apparently they're a delicacy in the region. We're gonna get some food. Yeah, look at the food here. Looks pretty tasty. I saw a funny one though. Look, where there it is. Mom's hoof flour. Look at that one. Fermented rice. Oh wow! What do we get? There's a lot of options. Yeah, someone's been knuckling. That's how you say knuckle down. Knuckle down and do your studies. Here we go. So that's a big bowl there. So
no, not big bowl.
Bigger than your head.
No, when we got the other day in the other place, that thing was big.
I got beef, potatoes, and rice. It's quite nice, isn't it? Very soon I have approved